7:25. What's today's date? It is March 17th. We're on the road to TX2K, and I'm riding solo this year, but I'm riding in the Subi. It should be really fun. I was supposed to be there Tuesday and Wednesday, but life happened, and I wasn't able to make it out there in time. But now it's Friday. I'm gonna try and get there by the end of the day. It's raining there right now, so that's really good because everything's on hold for me right now. And then try and get some footage Saturday and Sunday, and then head back out. So we'll get gas prices on the way there. I'm not stopping. I'm just gonna go straight there. And then what else, man? Just document stuff on the way, man. That's really it. Y'all know how I do. So yeah, sorry for the wait. Let's get into it. We filling up right now. Let's see what this is. So the plan is fill up on E85. Now I know E85 is gonna get scarce when we get there, so I'm gonna have to switch the map to the 93 tune. But we're gonna rock E85 all the way there as far as we can get. And let's see what a full tank is. Not so much a full tank. It wasn't too low, but there we go. $42.95. We're documenting for tax purposes anyway, so let's get it. Here she be. We're gonna try and get another trip under our belt with this thing. Obviously, check the oil, you know, check the coolant. Hopefully I'm not foreshadowing anything. Tire pump there, equipment in the front, tire patch kit in the back, tools, more equipment, water just in case, bro. Like I drive a Subaru, y'all, so we gotta be ready. Also going to reset the mileage. Let's go. Honestly, be ready for anything like that in any car that you have, especially if you have the tools and stuff to do so. So, like I said, guys, I'm sorry for the wait. Let's get into it. It's gonna be a long drive. It's about 14 hours. So let's do it. All right, cut really quick, just in case you don't know where I'm headed. I'm headed to TX2K. It is the Super Bowl of drag racing. I mean, it's not uncommon to see, you know, 1200 horsepower, you know, Civics. It's not uncommon to see 2000 horsepower GTRs, twin turbo Vipers, twin turbo Lambos, twin turbo R8s. Those are kind of the same thing. But still, man, it is not uncommon. I was blessed with the opportunity to go last year. It did really great on this channel, on my social media outlets. I got to meet some good racers. I've got to meet some great teams. And this year, I have the honor of being one of the official photographers for this event. So for me to not be there on Tuesday and Wednesday, that sucks a lot. I missed a lot of opportunity on the roll racing event. And since it's raining, they have already started the event a lot earlier than intended. But I think today is gonna put a pause to a lot of that stuff because of the weather. So that's good for me. It kind of leaves me some time to get down there and get the rest of this event. So something's better than nothing, you know, and it is what it is. It's a business trip. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, ooh, it's cold out here. And it's about to snow here in Indiana. So yeah. So anyways, I've got a 14-hour trip, and like I said, I'm just straight shotting it, man. So stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, so we've had our first stop. There's an accident on a one-lane bridge. So it seems that I've probably should back up and go on this off-ramp. I'll show you. It looks like the accident's right here. I may need to back up and go here and then go around it. That's what it's looking like. So yeah, everybody's got to back up. Looks like two semi trucks hit right there. So everybody's got to back up, and everybody, ooh, look at that Jeep. Damn, that looks good with the little bed on the back. That looks crazy. Anyways, but yeah, everybody got to back up and do that. If you know me, you know I love to test my luck. RIP fuel pump. No more gas registered on there. I don't see any gas stations there. Most likely they're not gonna have E85, so we're probably gonna have to switch to 93. I got 277 miles on that one tank of 85. Not the best, but you're talking about power, miles per gallon. Yeah, it works. Okay, so I found this little gas station, and it has 87, which this car is supposed to take premium only, but there's a special tune, and if you put octane booster, should be able to make it to the next gas station. So we're gonna put the bare minimum, and oh my goodness, this is too funny though. But made it out to this little country town. It's called Honey's Quick Stop, and it's really nice inside actually. But yeah, let's get this done. Now you gotta pull this up, and then it starts. Oh no, put the 87 in the car. I don't like it. Let's see. We'll just get it to about a gallon and a half. All right, that should get us to the next gas station. All right. The new map is loaded. It says map successful. It didn't really put that gas gauge up much, not at all. And we are idling fine, so we'll just run it normal. So I am now getting on the Mississippi River. We are still below E, and we are still waiting for the nearest gas station. I'm telling you, when I say I know my car, man. Well, I made it. Made it to a gas station that has, if you can see, it has 93. Just trust me. That was intense. all right, I made it. Stop number 2. Put 91 in there at 385. Geez. Let's see how much it cost, and we'll also see how far we get. I documented how far that last tank got me. So yeah, let's see if this is how much more difference the money is and how much further we get with it on. If you ever travel in a Subaru, always check your oil every gas station stop. Just check it up every fill up. Make sure your coolant's good too. Because as much as we want to act like our cars are invincible, they aren't. But we got to make sure that they are tip top and up to par. So yeah, buddy. I feel so bad for this person. Oh man, their car is on freaking fire. Oh my gosh. Got ash all over the car. Oh, and it stinks so bad. That sucks. All right, quick stop. Had to go get something to eat. Had to go pee and just check out the car one more time. It is using a tad bit of oil, but nothing crazy. I will say it is way better on this 93 tune running this not regular gas, but running just gas and not E85. I'm at 210 miles and I'm only at half a tank. That truck sounds good. And I was at 263 miles on the 85. So 85 is just really good for putting around town and when you want the power to lay down traveling. So I love this 93 tune. It is, yes, you spend more money. I think I spent $60 to fill up. Oh, sorry about this wind. I think I spent $60 to fill up, but it was like $45 on 85. So yeah, checking the tires right now, just make sure everything's good. I like to be, you know, preventative maintenance if I can. So, but other than that, about to get back on the road. Very, very hard to record. It says put down your phone, see? But I am in Little Rock, Arkansas. I'm really trying to pay attention to the road. Pothole Central out here, but it's just really nice. There we go. Yeah, buddy. All right, quick update. We made it on stop 2. As you can see, I tried to make it as low as I could there. We got 355 miles out of the 93. So the question is, also let me show you, there was no more miles left. Like, it was not registering. So in 21.6 miles per gallon. I want people to know, by the way, this car is for miles per gallon. It's not for miles per gallon. This is not an efficient type vehicle. You pay for the smiles, the bells, the whistles, and the speed that this thing can make, right? Just want to explain that. Also, I noticed that got me further, but it was $60. E85 cost $45 for a full tank, and it only got me to 286. So would it have balanced out if I put $60 in that tank too? That's the question. So do you want to keep making, so do you want to make more gas trips for almost the same amount of, I guess you would say, mile per gallon? So for my non-car people who don't know, E85 takes more fuel to burn than 93 does. So that's why you're going to make more trips to the gas station rather than 93. So my car is tuned for that. Let me also say that, so no mofos are hopping in here. Oh, I'm gonna put my car in 85. My car is tuned. I have different injectors for it. So let me give you a perspective for my non-car people. If you're car people, you already know this. Just skip forward. So if you have regular 93 in, your injectors are probably going to shoot at like 50-60%, right? So if you have E85, your injectors are probably going to shoot at 100%, which is why it's burning faster, because it takes more of that fuel to combust than it does regular gas. Understood? And hopefully that explains it for some of y'all. That's why the 85 went so much faster. Now, I'm about 300 something miles away, so I'm going to put 93 back in this. Once I get to Texas, I'm going to put a little bit of 85 in, just in case we have to do like a quick pull or anything. But like I said, I'm not here for that, because majority of the cars out here are like triple my power anyways. And I make like somewhere around 400, give or take. So yeah, I'm not even trying to mess with these guys. That's why I said I'm gonna find somebody to ride with. So anyways, let me get this done now. So just so y'all know, just a little lesson there. All right, so made it to this gas station. It was $55 to fill up here, and as y'all saw my little school lesson, got some snacks to go. And man, the truck's already coming out. One thing I noticed last year was there's a whole bunch of big trucks. We got some motorcycles out here, got some green weather, it's really nice. So yeah, buddy. All right, let's get this party started, get back on the road. I'm gonna probably get there like 12 o'clock Indianapolis time, probably about 11 o'clock here. It's an hour behind here. So whew, man, going straight through is tough. I just make it to Texas state line, and this Tesla already trying to race me. So nope, we can't do that. Can't do none of that. Now I know I didn't bring this with me. There's a cat under my car. What's up, buddy? What are you doing under there? Anyways, I got about 2.5 hours left. Y'all already know what I had to do. Let me make it so y'all can see it. Y'all already know. So let me go grab the camera, make this happen. So I want to be a little nerdy and show y'all a little bit of like what my camera does. This really cool feature. I think it's called photo stacking. Hang on a minute, I'm gonna show y'all. So I want to take a picture of the 7-Eleven sign, right? It's too bright. So let's see if it, okay. Boom, right? I'm gonna put it at the bottom of this. Okay, now that photo stays there. This is horrible. There it is. That photo stays there. Now watch this. Okay. That 7-Eleven's still there. I'll zoom in a little bit. That's so dope. Oops. I messed it up. Anyways, you can kind of get the idea. This camera will not focus right now. But that's kind of cool because obviously this truck's in the way. So like, I couldn't get the one I wanted. But this other one came out better. Yo. That's so dope. Not your typical 7-Eleven picture. Yo, I like it. I like it. I'm gonna rock with it. What's goody good? So I'm about almost 2 hours out, and I'll be there like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I may just go straight to a car meet. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let y'all know. So I decided to stop before actually heading to the hotel, and if I'm at Buc-ee's, you can see how big this gas station is. I've showed y'all this last year, but yeah, I made it safe and sound, y'all. The Subi is in Texas. It's crazy because it's 1 o'clock here, and this is how Buc-ee's is. About to see this Viper take off though. El Viper. It's sick. There's one thing we all want to see. GTR. I love it. I love it. R33. Very nice. This is Instagram. Super nice. Real GTR. Sick. They must be going out to run. I like it. You can smell the corn everywhere. You can smell the 85 everywhere. I actually need to get some. We got a Subi out here. We got a Subi. I swear, all these cars are chopping. Everything's chopping. Everything is cammed out. All the LS's are, at least. Things just chopping, man. Crazy.